Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I style my hair on a weekly basis with my texture release hair. I've got one track of extensions in my hair about here. I've just got a track of LA weave just to add a little bit of fullness to my hair because I have quite fine hair. So I'm going to show you guys how I style my hair every week after wash day. So stay tuned and I'll see you guys in my next clip.
To begin with, I use a tail comb to take small sections and do one pass with the straighteners over my hair. I am using my Toni and Guy ceramic steam pod straighteners on 150 degrees. When styling my hair, I make sure I have a very light leave-in conditioner and heat protection serum. I will list all the products I have used down below. I make sure I use a low heat setting for my weekly styling, as using a high heat setting is very unnecessary whilst having a texture release treatment on your hair. If you would like to know more about the texture release treatment, I have a video which I will link down below. And make sure you subscribe, as I will be doing more informative videos about Avlons Texture Release treatment and how it has allowed me and my clients to wear our natural hair straight without causing too much damage to our natural hair texture. Once my hair is straight, I get some edge control and smooth down my edges. Once that is done, your hair should be straight and full of movement, not too heavy, and you should be able to have that blow in the wind kind of effect with your hair.
Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope to see you in my next one. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.